So we're going down at Vista 2. This is where we're gonna be staying here at Eden Nature Park. Ito ang aming tutuluyan. Tignan natin kung pababa ito pababa. So medyo yung mga tamad maglakad, bawal dito. Pero kami, dahil kami ni Jan ay adventurous naman, we will be happy to spend the night here. Ayan, pababa na. Mamaya naman, marami na kaming gagawin. Oh, look at our accommodation. Wow, this is big. Sa amin lang to, so pwede kaming maghabulan na parang si Adan at Eva.
Andaya siya, may payong ako.
Ito na. Bukas na ba yan, ma'am?
Yes po.
Okay, pasok tayo. There you go. Oy, thank you so much, guys. Ay, take off the shoes? Ay, ayoko mag-alis. Dito na. Buksan natin ang ilaw. So, this is our room. Alis na ako ng shades. Ang ganda ng aming room. It's big. And look at this. It's my birthday. Happy 45th birthday. Oh my God. This is the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad. Yes. I am rejoicing and I'm glad. Salamat. Very beautiful. So how do you like our room?
Awesome!
Sobrang nagsasaya siya ngayon. Kahapon napagod lang kami. But today, we are gonna be having fun. Ang lamig, no need for aircon. Ang lamig-lamig, maganda ang lugar. Look at this. Overlooking. Look at that and you can hear the stream. Ayan o. OMG. You go to Davao, please. You have to spend. Kami nga overnight lang kami. Please spend mga 2 days or 3 here at Eden Nature Park. Ang ganda. Very nice. We're gonna be enjoying. A ref and there's coffee and there's the kettle. Extra is this one, the happy birthday, 45th birthday. Diba? Ang saya. There's the TV. There's the bed. Okay, na TV na kanina there. And this is our veranda. Very big. Ang laki talaga. And overlooking our veranda is the stream with gigantus bamboo trees. Sobrang ganda dito. This is Sulet. Sulet. You have to visit Eden Nature Park in Davao. Ang ganda dito. The restroom is also so big. Ayan o. Diba? Okay. It's a beautiful morning. Very cold. Colder than Baguio actually. This is where we're staying. Siyempre, aakyat pa kami doon. Pupunta kami. Breakfast. That's our Vista 2. May konting walk but it's okay. Look at this place. This is very beautiful. Beautiful place. Don't miss this place. If you go to Davao, this is Eden Nature Park. Katulog ka ng maayos dong. Sarap, no? Nature sound. Huni ng mga ibon.